to you the Samvad. This is the landing page of our application. The interview can be started by setting the syllabus until it doesn't allow the interview to start the interview. So let's set the syllabus and start the interview for today. The syllabus I'm setting is SQL. So I'm setting the syllabus, it is going to the backend, and the SQL questions are dynamically fetched and given to the user. So you can see the instructions, minimum requirements are given for the user here. This should be read, acknowledged, then we'll continue with the interview. Let's start the interview. All the queries will be read out by the bot, which are dynamically generated questions from the backend. These questions should be answered by the user. There are 5 sets of questions which need to be answered by the user, and the responses will be again sent back to the backend.
How would you sort the results of a SQL query in descending order based on a salary column?
Using sort operation. You can see that the transcript is being recorded over here, whatever the user has put in.
By clause in SQL.
Group like clause.
Describe a scenario where you would use a left join versus an inner join in SQL and explain the expected output difference.
So this is the last question. Here ends the first round of the interview after we click the stop recording button. So this will acknowledge that the round has been completed. Then we'll go for the round 2. We'll proceed with the round 2, which will give a technical assessment, which has an inbuilt IDE which supports multiple languages where user can code in. So the user can opt to choose any language here. So I'm choosing Python now. Just write a simple code. Actually, it will be evaluated based on the whatever the query that the code the user has given. So let's just run and see whether the user can really run here or not. So you can see the output is visible here. So the user can evaluate and see his results on the top score bar, which will be displayed based on the question and the code that user has given. Then let's finish this round, and then we'll have a gamification challenge where debugging challenge will be given. If user opts to choose, he can go for continue, or else he can exit from here. Let's continue and see the gamification challenge here. So these are the game rules. All will be displayed here. How to play the game. Let's start the debugging challenge. Let's select the level, and then we'll have a code which will be in buggy code. Then we have to debug this code and run the code and submit the solution. So the user gets the points over here, and he can continue with the question if you want to. So here it is done. If you want to continue for the next challenge, you can continue over here. So he gets the stars based on the score that he has scored. So like this, the user can navigate over the website and he can exit from here. And also the data is being saved to the whatever the user results are there. They are being saved in a spreadsheet.